Welcome again to English in a Minute. Butterflies are some of the most beautiful creatures in the world. The way they float along in the air is so lovely. But what does it mean
to have butterflies?
Let's see how to use this phrase in a conversation.
Hey Anna, how did your presentation go yesterday?
Oh, it went well, but I had butterflies in my stomach the whole time. Speaking in front of a large group of people like that always makes me nervous.
To have butterflies يعني عندما تشعر بالتوتر أو برغبة كبيرة حول أمر ما. Having butterflies in your stomach قبل أي حدث مهم بالنسبة لك. You can have butterflies before a big test, when you are on a first date, or during a presentation. That is English in a minute. See you soon, guys.